Right now you will see one of the most crazy tests for electric bike ever. We'll be going on electric bike on and on and on and on in the lake. And finally, as a result, we will see if it can work underwater. It is no good at all. Oh, come on, it will be fun. It will burn, that's it. Its wires will burn out, that's it. I have opened the battery to see the moment of short circuit in the water. The weakest spot of our bike is the throttle. So we had to insulate it a bit, as you see now. We don't want it to spoil experiment. And the controller. But it is covered with silicone already. Just a bit. I hope it will not explode. That's nuts, guys. Just try to ride it in the water, closer to the beach. Are you okay? Yeah, it's cool. Is it going well? Yeah. Maybe you can speed up a little? How deep can this bike go? Half a meter, meter or underwater mode? I'm wondering what you're gonna write about it. Holy moly. Maybe go a bit deeper? Yeah, sure. Is it going? Look what he's doing! Is it working? What? Hang on, Stas, let me check the battery, please. It is all wet, but no fizzles or sparks still. It didn't even oxidize. The motor is underwater now. Almost. Holy moly, guys! Going? I'm accelerating now. There's no smoke yet and no bubbles from controller. A pit. Crap. Stas! What? The battery is underwater now. So what? And it's still kicking? Working. Alright, let's go on the water mode now. See that? Short circuit! It's a circuit! Go, go, Stas! It's dead. The throttle may die. I feel something. What? Is it working? Not really. Sounds weird. Oh, jeez, I'm getting electrocuted! Really? Is it hard? I'm being hit when I hold my hand there. Really? So, if we insulate the throttle well, we can go underwater. I mean very deep. So does it hit you hard now? The seat is hitting with lightnings. Can I touch it? I put my hand right there. And you can feel that? Yeah, I feel. Try it. No? There must be electric field in the water. Maybe closer? Oh, now I feel some. Pulsation. Yeah. Oh my! It's working hot, as you see. So guys, the things are hard there. Look here now, I'm releasing the throttle and it gets in water. And the bike goes up. Now we're gonna see the submarine mode. We're gonna go as deep as possible. I will just go forward. It doesn't want to go there, do you see that? It resists to go, so it starts going, cause the throttle underwater. Just go at once. Oh my gosh, guys! Is that it? Film it. How can I go back? Don't you touch the bottom? Hardly. Oh my. And it doesn't stop turning the throttle itself. I still don't see what it's coming to. I'm getting it back. It just raises up. So what? Oh my gosh, I was working. Oh my. It is sturdy. Water comes from the motor, somehow it got inside. It is not waterproof, as you see. We're gonna disassemble it and the motor, and the controller, and see where this water got, and what damage the bike has taken. As you see, the battery is nude, and surprisingly, no oxidation happened. The only drawback is, it hits with electricity if you touch it. But it's okay, cause it's all wet. Does it hit hard? Not really, it stings. Like it's 9 volts, though there's 49 volts. It doesn't hurt. Anton, what do you think about going as far as possible at full speed? Idea is fantastic, but oh, there is a steep hill here. It may become crazy and stuck in the sand, cause the rear wheel is punctured. It is called super hardcore with wheels punctured. He's going here! It's okay, guys, I will fix it in 2 movements, okay? Is it going now? Now we're talking. Oh my. Wow. How is it? Motor is working still. I'm still going. Anton, go here. Is that deep there? Yeah. Did you sink it? Drag me if you can stand. I'm walking and the wheel is spinning. It is going itself. Cruise control mode is on, guys. Some pieces of underwater life. Oh my. The bike is going on its own and they don't know how to stop it. Yeah, we have fixed it already. Let's summarize things, guys. Electric bikes can be used during rain. Nothing can happen to you, cause you just saw it was working underwater. Come on. And it's still working. Though water still goes from the motor. And from the frame as well. We want to insulate the gashetka and put on the swimming suit we have to run across this lake on the bottom, like it if you wanna know what is gashetka. We have punctured this wheel, the bottom might have rocks. There was some broken glass on the bottom actually. This picture is called "That's Why I Love My Truck." We have opened the motor, magnet seems to be okay, but there is some rust already. Not sure about the drive. The winding is all black now. Was there any water inside? There wasn't, though it could evaporate. Why were we going back? And the insulator is black too, see it? And I see that some parts of it are falling now. Some capacitors or something. Can you spin the bearings? This bearing can go to Crimea and Chernobyl once again. Is there water in the insulated part? Oh my, look at it! There's much of water anyway. Let me remove it. It is alright anyway, but that might be the reason it stopped working. There we go. Oh my, there's a factory insulator here. It is all wet, there may be some water inside. I like this layer. That's cool. Good job, Chinese dudes. See this? Capacitors are wet. And there is some water. See, look here. There was water. Water. Just add some water.